Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got this Nissan Skyline GTR from Hot Wheels. It's part of the Hotwheels Silver Series and it's from Fast and Furious. It was driven by Brian O'Connor of Paul Walker. It's part of the set which has 5 cars. I'm missing this one, so I'm gonna be reviewing the other 4. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the GTR out of its box. And you will notice this custom paint job which you saw. If you have seen the first Fast and Furious movie, you must have seen in it. Let's start from the front. Up front, again the silver and the blue paint continues. You got detailed headlamp, you got the grille up front, and this small lip spoiler. The grills on the side are not finished in black, but you can still see them. It does miss out on the mirrors, and I know that's because it's an older casting. So definitely Hot Wheels didn't do a new tool for it, so that's why. But let's move to the driver's side. It's a JDM car, so right hand drive. And you can see here the wheels. You might have seen on a lot of different Hot Wheels there's these wheels. They don't look bad here, but they don't look great either. But you also got turn indicator, so again good detail. I don't know if it says GTR. Says something on the side, I'm not sure what it does. You got the door handle, fuel filler on the driver's side, and you can also see the big wing from here. Coming to the rear, again good details here. You got detailed tail lamp, GTR badge, stop lamp, also Nissan logo. You can see the place for number plate. You can also see the exhaust, but it's not detailed. Big can. Now to passenger side, looks almost identical, minus the fuel filler cap. The interior is done in black, and you can see the racing seats here. They look nice. And this is how it looks from the bottom. And as you can see, it's an older casting, 2009. But the Silver Series is new. They started doing that recently. Should you get one? Depends. If you're a fan, go ahead. You might already have this, so you might not even need to get it. But it's a nice little casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.